Welcome to Liftgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2019 Chevrolet Traverse LT. This vehicle is featured in red metallic paint with black alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint, dual sunroofs, heated seats, backup camera, power liftgate, and navigation. Onto the interior of the Traverse, we can see on our door panel we have our black leather. We also have our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, Bose speaker, liftgate controls, and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. And off to the left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls for the vehicle, our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel with our Chevrolet badge in the middle, our push start, infotainment screen with navigation, backup camera, as well as projection for our phone, and we have the option to fold up the screen, revealing plenty of storage room and a USB port inside. Below we have our radio and dual zone climate controls, heated seat options, charging outlets, and storage. Here's our Traverse key. You can see we also have remote start and our liftgate controls accessible from the key. Our gear selection stock, cup holders, all-wheel drive controls, as well as our electric park brake. Padded leather center console lid with copper stitching, and that stitching is continued into our black leather seats. We have our heated seats also built in, and again they are power adjustable. Our rear view mirror has a rear view camera built in, OnStar controls and reading lights above, as well as dual sunroofs. Now back onto the exterior of the Traverse, we can see we have our 3M paint protection on our hood there, black Chevrolet badge, and that paint protection also continues onto the front bumper and front of the upper fender there. We have our black aftermarket alloy rims, Traverse badging in chrome, paint matched mirror caps and door handles with chrome lock and unlock buttons. More paint protection on the rear of the door there just to protect it when you're closing it. And we also have our rear privacy tint. Down to the back we have our Traverse all-wheel drive and LT badging, dual exhaust, blacked out Chevrolet badge. Open our liftgate using the button underneath, the key, or the button on the inside of the vehicle. You can see plenty of storage room with the rear seats folded down and the handles to fold back up the seats. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Traverse. On our door panel we can see we have our black leather, as well as our copper stitching, chrome door handle, window switch, cup holders, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear charging outlets, climate controls, and storage. Overhead again we have our sunroof. Then our rear seats are featured in our rear buckets, black leather, copper stitching, and fold down leather armrests. Down the aisle, currently folded down to show our storage room, are the rear 60/40. And off to the side we have cup holders, storage, and charging outlets. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Liftgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.